Okay, so this is Colleen and Brian.
Yep.
Newlyweds.
All right, you ready?
Yep, go.
Hi, I'm Colleen Sparks, Newly Jones. I have married awesome Brian. Our first date was actually New Year's Eve. From that point on,
The sparks flew.
They look really cute.
They do.
Colleen's son, Dylan, my new stepson, is a really, really nice kid.
he said our family's like a triangle because triangles are the strongest shape. Our house is a rancher and we're in Haddonfield, New Jersey. As of now, the way the house is set up, it almost makes it impossible for Brian to get his work done successfully.
I still have my house in Philadelphia. That was my house I had as a bachelor. So when I go there to work, sometimes it causes problems with Colleen and I
think we could totally work within the footprint of the house. Our basement's so big, but I feel like it's like underutilized.
Yeah, no, I think it's overutilized.
Yeah, I mean, there's a ton of stuff down there.
He needs a place to go for work. My son needs a place to entertain his friends. A place for the two of us would be amazing to unwind. What I have in storage down there, there are other places in the home to move it if we're creating more of a kid area slash workspace for him.
So he needs a workspace.
Workspace is key. Okay, so there's a lot going on here. He needs a space that is set away from everything. Her son needs a place where his friends can come over. They need a place as a family. Not much of a budget.
No.
$50,000. All right, well, that's on the agenda for tomorrow morning.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Colleen and Brian are still basking in newlywed bliss. On the face of it, everything is perfect, but clearly something's wrong in this house.
Hey, Hilary.
Hi.
Hey, I'm
Who's
Brian.
this?
This is Simba.
Hi,
Welcome to our
Simba.
house.
Hi, nice
Hey,
to meet
nice
you,
to meet
Brian.
you. Let me take your coat.
Thank you. Actually, it's a lovely day out there.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Yeah, well, welcome.
Thank you so much.
Hi, Hilary, I'm Colleen.
Yes,
I'm so excited to
Colleen.
have you here.
Well, I'm excited to meet you both in person. How long have you been together?
A total of 2 years, but we just got married 6 months ago.
I love it. Great.
Yay.
Well, congratulations.
Who doesn't
very
love love,
much.
right?
There is nothing but love, is there?
I agree.
He agrees too.
We did the kitchen a couple years ago, I would say.
Good job. It's lovely.
Thank you.
Really lovely.
This is our bedroom back here.
So, I don't mean to be nosy,
No, you can go ahead. You're gonna.
but so we have,
My things.
okay. And then we have,
More of that.
More of my things.
okay. And then we've got all of this.
Yes.
When was the last time you went through them and said, you know, I haven't worn that for 2 years?
Well, don't you feel that it always comes back?
No, 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 no. You've got to stop that. I have to ask you.
Okay.
And believe me, I have a load of clothes too. But were those Brian's clothes I saw in the basement in the video you sent me?
Yes.
I really think that we should try and get Brian up here.
Hilary, funny. That's what I've been saying.
Oh no.
Well, listen, I'm not taking sides. I'm just trying to make the house work. All right, what is this room?
This is the guest space and catch-all room. Oh, more of my things.
I want
like
to show
Hilary.
you how much I love you, Brian. I am actually going to make sure you have a space upstairs
Oh
for
my-
some of your clothes. Yeah.
I will work on it.
So, we're going to go down to the basement. What do you want to get out of this space?
Jeez. Definitely a entertaining space.
But when you say entertaining, what do you mean by that?
Watching football games, baseball games, golf, maybe hosting neighbors.
Eating.
Yeah, having a barbecue and having additional places for people to sit.
That's a lot of things. So,
So the basement has been really useful for Dylan, for sure, to have most of that space given over to his toys and whatever he needs and wants. And that's great. But now it's time to move on from that and turn this into real living space for the entire family.
is there anything else I need to know about how you want this to work?
You'll see the biggest challenge. I have all my stuff in a storage area along with Christmas decorations, wrapping paper.
And your point is?
We need a spot for him.
My whole 3-bedroom house is in the corner of the basement back here, so.
I think I have an idea now. So, let's go.
Okay.
What is this?
That is Brian's clothes and miscellaneous things that he's brought over from his Philadelphia home.
And is that your closet?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Shirts hanging, jackets, a couple pairs of shoes.
You know, I don't think that Brian is the sort of person who's going to complain. But I think Brian would be thrilled if I can fix it.
I still need to figure out how to keep you here.
And not going to Philadelphia.
Yes?
Yep. Brian still has his Philly house. I feel like he always disappears and runs away to Philly. So I want him to feel like this is his home. He has a place to work, a place to relax, instead of going off to Philadelphia.
You feel that in this particular setup, you don't have a place where you can work.
You're 100% correct.
The only place that I can see doing that without messing up your plans for the basement is the garage.
Great.
That works.
Okay. You said this was fine to give Brian an office here as long as there's enough space for storage. Chairs, things like this, hopefully you'll go through and everything that you realize is in here just because you never got around to it can go.
Yep.
Actually could be quite a big area for you. You'd get the benefit of the light there. You would be still connected to the home. You'd come in and out as needed.
Awesome.
Would you be okay with that?
I would love that. That sounds ideal.
That'd be great.
Yeah.
Yes, and it won't be on the kitchen island anymore.
Okay.
Yes. Hi.
Hey, how are you?
Great, how are you?
Good.
I just want to go through the designs, where we've landed.
Oh, fun.
Make sure that we're all on the right page here. It's time this basement was turned into living space and not just a place that collects junk. So I'm going to use the majority of this area for hanging out and entertaining. So there will be space for Brian's huge family to hang out over here. And over here, we're going to have a wet bar, wine fridge, loads of storage, custom countertop, tile backsplash, and a dining area.
Yay!
Cold beer is
Entertaining.
good.
Now, in the laundry area, I'm going to create a brand new powder room. That will change the whole function. It's
Well,
really
that's
good.
just a game changer in general.
And I'm going to take part of that dark utility room where Brian's been forced to keep all of his belongings and turn it into a space for Dylan, so he can have all of his friends over and not take over the entire basement. To me, super cool and independent in here, but he can also come around here. And it's lovely that he's now going to have both options.
I love it. Fun.
Sweet.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
This garage is the solution to creating a home office for Brian. Once you've cleared the clutter, I'll put a wall here, add a little window, so you'll have plenty of light, and I'll create a new doorway connecting this to the living room.
It's amazing.
In this case, I really feel that what we're doing here is going to change your lives.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
The family dynamic is going to be so much better. And I think everything is spot on with what we need.
We trust you.
Perfect.
Yep.
Turning this into a really nice home office for Brian is going to mean breaking down walls for that window and a door. My plan is going to make the room feel and look bigger and brighter.
My design for Brian and Colleen's basement is going to give them the space of their dreams to entertain their guests. But,
Uh-oh, I just got a call from my contractor, Tony. This may change things. Tony just told me that I have to completely reverse the layout that I had designed for the entertaining space in the basement. Perfectly valid reasons. He also explained the upside of it, which is valid as well. I really don't have an ego about this one.
I actually agree with you. It's a slightly better plan. Budget.
I think that it helped with the budget.
Oh,
So
really?
I don't have to actually take an upflush system and pump it all the way to the other side. So I can tie directly into the existing drain over there, and I think it'll save us.
Then that's fantastic.
Absolutely.
I'm in.
This will save me about $2,000, and I can take that money and really go to town on Dylan's space. Whenever the sheetrock goes up, I start to see my design coming to life. We've insulated the walls in Brian's new home office, and we're installing a new HVAC system to keep this new space comfortable year-round. This wet bar is being installed today with cabinetry below and some floating shelves above. This gives Brian and Colleen a place for everything they need to entertain guests. I'm about to meet Colleen and Brian to choose some furniture for the basement, which is going to be fun. And I bet it's the first time they've actually bought furniture for this house together.
I like it.
Hi.
Hey,
This is
isn't
great.
this beautiful?
Stunning.
What I want to do is find a table that everyone can gather at. Do you know what a live edge is? If
Yes.
you talk about a live, okay, good.
If you can see the way the edge of this table goes, that is the natural edge of the tree that provided the material for this table.
I love it. I love it.
Okay, then I know where we're headed with this. Jimmy,
Yes,
they love the live edge.
perfect.
The store doesn't have one on display, but they do sell a counter height live edge table that I think will go perfectly in Colleen and Brian's basement.
I also have some images so you can see the live edge.
Oh, how
Not
it's
too
kind of like,
drastic,
yeah.
yeah.
I see it.
Yeah, it's great.
What is the tone of it? Do you have anything in the same?
Yes, actually, if you turn right around, this piece right here would be the color scheme it would be coming in.
Okay, Jimmy and I will start working things out.
Okay.
Let's go.
Great.
Cool.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Hilary.
So sweet. So this is it. Every member of this family is about to get exactly what they wanted. Yeah, it's gonna be good.
Hilary! Hey!
I'm so excited.
Hi!
Oh, yay, Simba, yay.
Simba!
Dylan, do whatever you like in your bedroom.
Okay.
Because we're gonna do just some grown-up stuff.
'Kay.
When you hear me go, Dylan, then come on downstairs.
Oh my gosh.
Okay?
Okay.
All right, off you go.
Bye, bud.
See ya.
So, let's start with
Okay.
one thing. This is where you were working. This was
Yes.
covered in your office stuff.
Yes.
It was kind of a messy situation. We all agreed.
Oh, a
Yes.
ton of crap.
Come along with me, because this is about you, Brian. We're going to look at
You
your
go
office.
first.
Oh, whoa,
You go
okay,
first.
okay.
Ta-da!
Drum
Should I
roll,
go
drum roll,
first?
drum roll.
No, he's going in first.
Okay.
It's his room and Simba's room.
Whoa!
Oh,
my
my
gosh.
gosh, this is
This
amazing.
is awesome. Oh, you got pictures of us.
Look at you and Dylan.
Got some natural sunlight.
This is
awesome.
amazing. Look at your desk.
That is great. This is
The
great.
shiplap's amazing.
The shiplap's great. Floors are great.
This was our garage.
I know, right?
How? I don't understand.
You would never even think it.
The window makes all the difference.
Yes.
Absolutely essential that that window is there. Having the shiplap just gives it a sense of space that isn't really there. But in fact, who needs more than this, really? And you still have the rest of your garage for storage.
My office it's just amazing. And I can't say enough positive, amazing things about that. That's something I've needed in a major way, and
yeah.
I absolutely love it.
Okay, you ready to go on downstairs?
No,
Yeah,
I'm not
let's do
ready. No way. Stop it.
This is awesome.
Oh my gosh. Wow. We are in the wrong house.
Yeah. This is amazing.
Wow. Look at the TV. Oh my God. And the bar. And the table. Look at the dog.
Look at the
Look at the dog. Oh my God.
dog. The fireplace looks fantastic. This is awesome.
Hey, Dylan!
I'm so excited for him. I'm so excited. I can't even sit down. Buddy.
Popcorn?
So great.
So this is all for you and the parents sometimes.
Oh my gosh.
Does it feel good?
Yeah.
You have your own space. You ready to see that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my gosh. This is amazing.
This is a nice turtle just to remind you of how most turtles look as opposed to your teeny weeny little friend.
Oh, that's cool.
So,
Oh my god. What?
Cool.
I'm eavesdropping.
Should we let Brian and your mum in?
Yeah.
You ready for that?
You can come in.
We can come in.
Oh, wow.
Whoa!
This
Dylan!
is.
Wow! Look at how cool the lockers are. Dylan, are you ever gonna come up from the basement? No?
It's perfect.
You created such a great space. It's amazing. It's absolutely fantastic. I have so much emotion about it. It's happy tears.
No, I understand that.
Oh
I understand
my
that.
gosh.